Hello, I am Dr. Piyush Sharma, Professor and Principal, Maharshi Arvind College of Pharmacy, Ambawadi, Jaipur. Our today's learning dialogue is on online teaching versus classroom teaching. In this learning dialogue, the learner will be able to learn the differentiation of classroom teaching and online teaching. The learner will identify the benefits of online teaching. The learner will identify various components of online teaching. Learner will also able to use and create of LED, LBD, LXI, LXT. Here the traditional classroom is displayed. The teacher is teaching his subject through PPT and other mode and also taking the quiz or test. Students are physically sitting in the classroom. Some of the students are preparing the notes as teacher is teaching, but some of the students they are not able to understand. Even some students are confused at what's going on in the class, and some of the students they are not at all interested in the class and watching their mobiles, and some are busy in other activities. So all the students are sitting physically in the classroom, but we can say that their learning style is different. Some are interested and some are not interested, even sitting physically in the room. So even we can say there are various advantages of traditional teaching. Out of these, some are listed here. The teacher can motivate student. Those are not interested. Even the demotivated students can be motivated by teacher by direct conversation. The immediate feedback can be obtained by asking that topic is understood or the students are facing some difficulties. This traditional teaching method is familiar to both students and teachers. This method is easy for the instructor because it is more utilized and used from since a long time. But even after these advantages, we having some disadvantages of this traditional teaching methodology. Out of these, some are listed here, like this teaching methodology is instructor-centered teaching methodology, where teacher is going to deliver the lecture and students, those are interested, will grasp, but those are not interested or not attending properly will be not able to learn. This system is time and location constraints based. Student and teacher have to become at the same time at the same location. Then only the learning criteria can be fulfilled. Even it is more expensive to deliver, to develop the infrastructure for physical classroom and for the traditional teaching. So in this teaching learning methodology in the classroom pattern, we can explain by this chart where the teacher is delivering his concept and instructing and demonstrating to the student. Some students get easily understood while some are not understood and some misunderstand the concept delivered by the teacher. So in the case, the student has to ask the teacher about the provided concept. Here the teacher again and again has to repeat about the concept. So again and again required to repeat the delivered concept and teaching material. Then only all the student will be able to understand. While if we go with the technology, because nowadays we having various technologies, even the internet connections we having that having very fast speed and very less expensive. So here is the reflection spot. Just pause the video and write the answer in the diary of this question. Write the advantage of online teaching to the teacher and students. So pause the video. Okay, learner. Now start the video and we will discuss, or you will be able to learn that what are the advantages of online teaching. So this online teaching is of two types, that are synchronous, in which a teacher and student both are sitting in front of the electronic gadget, that can be mobile, laptop. This is a real-time online teaching experience, and even it is instructor-led online classes. While in asynchronous online teaching method, the teacher has to upload the videos and student can see these videos at any of the time. That is an asynchronous teaching methodology, that is not in a real-time online teaching. Various advantages of this online teaching we having, that are increased student learning, as research say that, or various responses noted by the online teachers, that it increase student learning ability, because students are friendly with these electronic gadgets, so they are more interested about this. The student engagement also get enhanced due to this electronic gadget and due to the freedom. Now, there a major advantage of time and location flexibility for both, for the teacher and for the student. Any of the student can read at any of the time, at any of the location, to the delivered study material. And it is convenience for the teacher to deliver the lecture at any of the time and at any of the place. Now, other advantages are, it is provide more teaching opportunities to the teacher, and having better organization to arrange all the learning dialogues and the quizzes in advance in a synchronized manner. It have diverse teaching experience, and teacher can teach the students of various location and various places and of various knowledge situated at different places, and it is easy access and sharing of the information in a digital mode. The student is gets self-disciplined and having own responsibility to complete his course through online mode. So we can see it through this graph, that teacher deliver the concept through video, the student get understood, some maybe get not understood, or some student get misunderstood, but they can revise the video again and again and again. So there is no need of the teacher to repeat the concept. The student can again and again revise the video until he or she did not able to learn the detail or outcomes. So we having various electronic tools or learning management systems or online methodologies through which we can teach the students. I do not say that the classroom teaching is having more disadvantage, but with the classroom teaching we can additionally go to this online teaching methodology that can enhance the student interest and the demand of this current time. Thank you, learners, and feel free to contact me if you are having any further queries. Thank you.